Hi, I'm Kummer, founder of The Anatomy Show. I love teaching people about movement, about yoga, about fascia, and also movement anatomy, of course. In this little video, I'd like to share with you why I'm so passionate about teaching and working with these topics. These days, I'm teaching all over the world, workshops and trainings, creating online courses and giving treatments. And I'm often asked how I got to have such a life. Here's the short story of it. When I was in primary school, I was diagnosed with scoliosis, that sideways bending of the spine. Many doctors' visits later, having worn a corset for a year without any results, I ended up doing exercise and yoga with a private once a week and then working at home every day, which changed my spine back to normal within 1 year. Now get this, as a little kid, you do some exercises and your problems go away. That was really cool, and I got really interested in this. I got into sports and really was interested in how to improve my performance. After school then, I decided to become a doctor because certainly medical school would have all the answers I was looking for. But how to say, I was a little bit disappointed. Rather than learning about the moving body, all the people we worked with were either sick or they were dead. Not very helpful. So I ended up studying natural medicine, so naturopathy. And that was a different story. Here the premise was, how can we get someone more functional? How can we get someone feeling better, more healthy? Whether they're sick or they're well. I was well, I want to get better. That was what got my attention. A few years later then, at some point in 2000, the yoga school where I was going to practice approached me if I wanted to combine what I knew about the moving body with my yoga knowledge and share that with their yoga teacher trainees. And that was the beginning of the Anatomy Show. I got to teach movement anatomy, I got to give movement education, and I was really into it. In my clinic, I was seeing a lot of people that had been lifting stuff in a funny way, they had been moving in a funny way and had injuries from that, or they hadn't been moving and had injuries from it. I also treated a lot of people that needed to improve their yoga practice to avoid the injuries, so I knew exactly what to teach. And I think all over the world, a lot of people also knew what they needed to learn, so I ended up going all over the place and sharing and teaching, giving workshops, giving treatments. Now, hundreds of trainings and workshops later, I'm still as passionate about these topics and about teaching it as I was in the beginning. I know what it takes. It's not about what you do, it's how you do it. So come and study.